Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear student, today I will discuss with you Chapter 6, CBQ 1. You see, Chapter 6, CBQ 1 and the lecture number 22, SW number 21. Now, I will solve the CBQ questions. You read the question at first. CBQ 1. Mr. Sajjad donated 5/12 portion of his money to an orphanage, 3/8 portion to an educational institution. This is the stem. Now you see the question number A. In total, how much portion did he donate? B number, what was the remaining portion of money? That means after donating, how much amount of money was remaining? You have to determine. Now see, if Sajjad had 24,000 taka, what amount of money was he left with? Okay. Now we will solve. Look, and first look. Sajjad, Mr. Sajjad donated to an orphanage (5/12 portion). To an orphanage, 5/12 portions of money. Then to an educational institution Educational institution, 3/8 portion. 3/8 portions of money. Now, question: in total, how much portion did he donate? Okay, now write. Therefore, in total, he donated 5/12 plus 3/8 portion of money. Portions of money. Look, you see the number 12 and 8. Now we have to adding this, but at first we have to do LCM of 12 and 8. Okay, do the LCM 12 and 8. You may do this in the rough section. Now we select 2, then 6, then 4, then again you select 2, then you divide 6 by 2, then you get 3, you divide 4 by 2, then you get 2. Therefore LCM 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Multiply now. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Okay, this is the LCM. Therefore, we get LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. Okay. Now see, you divide 24 by 12. Then we get 2. Okay. I repeat again, you divide at first 24 by 12. Then we get 2. Okay. Then you multiply 2 with 5. Then we get 10. Again, you divide 24 by 8. Then you get 3. After dividing, you multiply with 3. Okay. You divide 24 by 8. Then you get 3. And multiply with 3. So 3 3s are 9. Right here, 9. Right. At the portions of money. Okay. Now adding this, 10 plus 9 equal to 19 by 24 portions of money. Okay, now you write the answer. Answer 19 by 24 portions of money. Now I will solve B number question. Okay, now you see the B number question. You see what was the remaining portion of money. You have to determine what was the remaining portion of money. That means in total he donated 19 by 24 portions of money. And you see this is the proper fraction because the numerator is smaller and the denominator is greater. Okay. Now you have to assume let the total amount of money is 1 whole. Let the total amount of money is 1 whole portion. Okay. And we have got from A right here. We have got from A. What we got? In total he donated. In total he donated 19 by 24 portions of money. Portions of money. Okay, now according to the question, you have to write. You see the question again. What was the remaining portion of money? Okay, so you have to write according to the questions. Now write the remaining portion or the remaining money was, right? The remaining money was 1 minus 19 by 24 portion. Okay. Now you have to subtract here. You see, there is 1 and here is also 1. Now you have to LCM of 1 and 24. We know LCM of 24 and 1 is 24. Now you divide 24 by 1, then you get 24 and multiply with 1. Then you get 24 minus, again you divide 24 by 24, then you get 1 and multiply with 19, then 19. Okay. This is equal to what? 24 minus 9. This is equal to what? This is equal to 5 by 24 portion. Okay? This is the answer. You write here the answer 5 by 24 portion. Okay? Now I will solve the question number C. Okay, you see the question number C. If Sajjad had 24,000 taka, what amount of money was he left with? Okay? Look, you see, we have got from B that the remaining money was 5 by 24 portion. Okay? Right here at first, you write the C number. We have got the remaining money was the remaining money was 5 by 24 portions or portion. Okay? We have got the remaining money was 5 by 24 portion. Okay? Now you see the question. Again, you see the question. If Sajjad had 24,000 taka, what amount of money was he left? Okay? Now write here. If Sajjad had 24,000 taka, if Sajjad had 24,000 taka, then the amount of money he was left with how much amount? You write 5 by 24 of 24,000. Right here. Okay? Now you have to divide this. This can be written as you like this way. Right here. 5 by 24 of 24,000 taka. Okay? Now after finishing this, you write here equal sign and give 5 by 24 into of, that means multiplication 24,000 taka. Now you divide this by 24, then we get 1,000. Now multiply with 5 into 1,000, then we get how much amount? 5,000 taka. Okay, now you write the answer. Answer 5,000 taka. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood today's math. Now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. You see the chapter 6 HW number 21 CBQ 2. Sabina sleeps for 1/4 part, plays for 1/12 part and studies for 1/6 part of the week. She spends the rest time in drawing. Now you see how much time does she spend on sleeping and playing. You see, according to the question, how much time does she spend on sleeping and playing? That means this is the addition. Then you adding 1 by 4 part plus, you see, sleeping is what? 1 by 4 part, and playing is what? 1 by 12 part. That means you adding for question number A 1 by 4 plus, you see, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. Then you get the result of A. And B number, how can you solve? You adding 1 by 4, 1 by 12 and 1 by 6. Then you get the result of B. Similarly, what is the part that she spends on drink? Look, the rest of the part she spends on drink. That means total part is 1. Then you subtract 1 to which you got in B number. Okay? Then you get the required result. Okay, dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to collect you have to submit your all HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Remember, if you practice more and more, then you understood the CBQ question. Otherwise, we cannot understand the CBQ questions. Remember that practice makes the man perfect. Okay, dear student, no more today. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.